welcome to a new video, and this is going to be our third hotel collaboration of the week. So we started in Yala, the Wild Coast, and last week we were in Villas in Marissa, and this week we are in Cape Weligama in Weligama, and this is the same owner as the Wild Coast, Yala. It feels very similar but also completely different. It's a completely different area again, the interior is different. I will show you the room, and the room is huge. It's more than 100 square meters. The biggest bed I've ever seen. So this is the entrance with the insane bed that I was just talking about. We have the balcony up there. We have Alex using the gimbal to make sure we get the right footage. And here it is the bathroom. Always an eye catcher. Difficult to shoot, I reckon. Oh, and another mirror. And then toilet and shower and steam bath. So this is what we're gonna shoot the next days. And then here in the corner we put all our stuff so it's not in the way when we shoot anything. We're actually pretty organized this time. We have 2 nights here and we get food and drinks and everything included. They arranged a private cocktail bar moment for us and also a very romantic private dinner. So I'm super excited for that. But yeah, I'm gonna show you again what it looks like behind the scenes of a hotel collaboration. I will also tell you at the end of this video what is it exactly that we have to deliver. So what do the hotel asks for us. So keep watching if you want to know about that. I have to get ready in 5 minutes because that's when we have
cocktail artistry.
So that's when we have a cocktail thing arranged. Artistry. That's when we have a cocktail thing arranged. I have to put makeup on, which I don't like in the tropics normally. Just doing it quickly. Any plans?
Shoot, drink, enjoy.
Shoot, drink, enjoy. Yeah, we also should enjoy, and don't forget that. We are a good team right now at the moment, so every time we want to shoot something, we just say in one sentence, okay, we want to shoot that. Then I am mostly the person that's gonna talk to everyone to get it done, and Alex is doing all the camera work and the settings, so we are a pretty good team.
Joanne is the director and model, and I am the shooting monkey.
Shooting, very important monkey. Getting ready, and let's go. So they basically explained us how to make cocktails, and they showed us how to make cocktails as well. And then we got to try it ourselves, which I wasn't really good, but it tasted good. So we made 3 cocktails now, and now we can enjoy it. Why don't you want that one?
That's yours, you made it.
You want to taste mine as well to see the difference?
Oof.
So from the cocktail bar to the sunset that you can't really see right now, but Alex is making the best out of it. Shooting first, enjoying then. It's so sweet.
So sweet of them. They were really like, oh, the sun is setting. Do we want to go to the viewpoint? We can take the cocktails. There's even the extra cocktails that we got.
Yeah, so let's enjoy it a little bit. Bye, camera. We woke up at 5 a.m. again. 5:30.
5:45.
The alarm was set at 5:30. So we have this amazing infinity pool for ourselves. We have the sunrise going on right there. We are allowed to fly the drone till 7, and now it's 6:20-ish.
Right on farmer shoot. You can't talk, it's too early.
It's too early.
Yeah, we don't really have a plan today.
No, yeah,
You're walking on the pool.
that's the plan.
That's the plan.
That's where Alex is filming, behind the edge of the pool. And this is what I have to do to take the shot. So I have to walk here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty high. In between those lines, all the way up there. What are you doing up there?
Hiding from the drone.
Like always, doing the floating shoot, which means that I am floating in the middle of the pool and Alex is flying the drone. It basically looks like me doing this for 10 minutes and trying to stay up, which is harder than it looks like.
Trying to stay up, trying to stay in the center of the pool.
Yeah.
Normally we use go or action to say, okay, I'm starting to record. But in this case, when we do this one, I say, okay, float. Hey, you're supposed to float.
Oh, sorry.
This is what I have to work with.
And I can't hear anything, so I can't hear Alex say, okay, it's okay now, it's stopped. Just trying to float as long as possible. But now, what we always forget is a towel. Yeah, I just have to air dry. Pretty cold.
Good news, we found a towel for Joya. And now it is her time to fly the drone.
You ran out of battery.
And just for reference as well, we do ask the hotel permission before we fly. That's why we do it early in the morning. Then there's no guests awake and we can shoot without disturbing anyone as well.
After the morning shoot and the pool, I just did a quick shower and changed in my second outfit. It's literally 7:30 right now. Alex is heading out to the restaurant and the bar area to shoot some photos for them. And I'm gonna go there as well now to have a coffee and some breakfast. But I must say, in this collaboration, we really just have fun with it. All the stuff is so nice, and yeah, we're just really grateful that we can be here and enjoy it. And we are also very confident that we can deliver something good for them. So that's good. Breakfast time. You working?
Helping one of my students that just caught the course.
Thank you. We are those annoying people right now in a restaurant that take photos, but that's why we're here. And now we can eat. Bon appetito. We had some breakfast. Now we're just chilling in the room for a little bit. I am trying to fix laundry, but at those places it's always a little bit difficult. It's in the middle of the day, so the light is bad for shooting. It's perfect for tanning, so we're gonna go to the pool. Now just to relax. We are getting ready for our sunset romantic dinner that they arranged for us, and we're gonna shoot also the getting ready part. We really wanted to get like a storyline, so not just only the dinner that we're gonna shoot, but also getting ready, walking towards the sunset part, and then having dinner. I want to do it a little bit different. I am gonna sit here, act like I'm getting ready. I'm almost kind of ready.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I realized that there's still conditioner in my hair, so my hair doesn't look great. So also for all the photos and the videos later, I need to rewash my hair.
Okay, so we are pretty.
We only have 10 minutes.
All right, we're both ready to have dinner. But first, we're gonna film the way, and as always, we run into obstacles. But we're not gonna bring you with us, so you're just gonna see the shots, the final results.
But we're also gonna enjoy the dinner.
No, we're just gonna film the whole thing.
Alex looks very handsome.
Oh, you also look very good.
Okay, yeah, let's go. We just came back from a very romantic dinner. Alex didn't propose, but it was the perfect setting. We did try to get some good shots. Ooh, we have more cookies. Sorry.
We just had 5 courses, and that's what you're focusing on.
But okay. Besides that.
Welcome to my life. This happens all the time. She's in the middle of a story, she gets distracted, she's talking about something else, and then we're back in the story again.
Come back. Now we're just gonna chill here, and then tomorrow morning we decided to wake up early again to shoot some more things here.
Yeah, bye!
Okay, bye!
Doei.
Good night!
It's a bit foggy in here.
We let the steam shower open the door so we can have light rays. It's really hot here right now.
And now you can see you again.
It's super hot in here right now, but I hope we get the right shot for the bathtub. Okay, so that was a little bit of a stressful morning. Woke up, we stayed in bed for a little bit too long, and then kind of panicked into shooting mode for the bathtub, and we tried to be creative, so we tried to make light rays and stuff. And just as we finished and I got dressed like just in a second, breakfast arrived. So we ordered breakfast here at the suite, which is insane that that's possible. Just also to have a chill breakfast, and also because we want to shoot the room a little bit extra. And I got pancakes because they look good.
Because you don't drink.
No. Alex also just woke up. You can see that on his face.
No, I was shooting in a 30-degree warm bathroom.
You did good.
You did good.
Thank you. Now let's shoot this breakfast and then enjoy.
Quick video of this with you sitting there as well, maybe taking a croissant, and then I think we're done. Hello camera, sorry for my... Done!
Okay, that was the ending of this video. As promised, I would tell you what we delivered in exchange for 2 nights stay here. And that was 2 reels and 20 photos. 5 to 10 video clips. There's just to focus on the room
And the bar.
and the bar
And the experiences.
and the, and the experiences. We were a good team. We tried to enjoy and shoot a lot. I'm really happy with what we did. I will give you more details in the email that I'm gonna send on Wednesday, so make sure you subscribe before Wednesday to not miss out about how we get those collaborations, how you could do the same. Now we have 2 hours left. We're gonna pack the suitcases and we're gonna shoot a little tiny bit more of the bar, and that was it.
So this is the end. Goodbye.
Bye!
This is the end. Bye.